Hey, Miss W here. I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to solve for trig ratios with a missing side. So we begin our problem, I'm looking at number 9 here, and we are solving for a missing side. So I'm going to begin by identifying my side. So opposite the right angle is always the hypotenuse. What always connects the hypotenuse where the angle is the adjacent, leaving the x as my opposite. So I move and I start looking at my trig ratios, what they give me. I have an H and an O, so that would be SOA or sine. So I put sine and I put my degree that I'm talking about here, which is 70, equals opposite, which is my x, over my hypotenuse, which is 18. So now I'm going to put each side of those into the Desmos calculator. So as you can see, I have that already, and I've got sine 70 and x over 18. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my link here, and I'm going to find the intersection. So I'm looking at the intersection, I'm trying to find it, and if I'm clicking on the lines, this dot will pop up. If I highlight it, it gives me the answer. It's your x value, so it's 16.9. So that is the solution to that. So I go back to my problem, and I can see 16.9 right there. Let's do one more. So again, begin by identifying your opposite and hypotenuse, or hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. What always connects the angle is the hypotenuse and the adjacent, leaving this my opposite. So once again, I'm going to have an O and an H, so that's going to be sine. And this time my degree is 40, and opposite is x over hypotenuse, which is 11. So I'm going to put that in Desmos. So I'm going to go ahead, I already typed these in for convenience. So now I'm trying to find where they intersect. So looking, I'm going to go home here, and also we make sure that you're in degree mode. If you're in radians, it's not going to work, so you have to make sure you're in degree mode. So I need their intersection point, so I'm clicking on the line trying to find it. There it is, and rounding to the nearest tenth, that is 7.1. So going back, I can see that the answer is 7.1. So using Desmos to find the missing side if you have trouble with algebra part of it. Have a wonderful day.